Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Ready to elevate your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapera and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. A couple more announcements and invitations here for you. Notice of public hearing from the Motor Vehicle Registration Office of the SBMA, MVRO that is. All right, we will be having the public consultation hearing regarding the amended procedure on the imposition of fines and penalties as approved by the SBMA Board of Directors last May 8, 2024 under Board Resolution number 24-05-0540. Okay? It will be at the Function Hall B of the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center, or the SBEC, Efficiency Road, Subic Bay Gateway Park, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. When is it gonna be? July 24, 2024. That falls on a Wednesday, all right? 9 a.m. So you're all invited. The public is invited. It's a public hearing, okay? Public consultation hearing regarding the amended procedure on the imposition of fines and penalties. And interested parties may also call the Motor Vehicle Registration Office, or MVRO, for more information. Telephone numbers 252-4315 or 252-4036. Pero the SBMA hotline number, if you have difficulty remembering numbers, just like me, 252-4000. Yun, wag na natin pahirapan. 252-4000. Hello, may I be connected to this department? Ganun lang. Okay? Or you may visit the MVRO office at SBMA Regulatory Building, Labitan, Cornel Rizal Highway, Central Business District Area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Ayan. Sa building na yan, nandyan yung mga kaibigan natin na sila Chief Elmer Libo, ayan. Sila Engineer Jeff, ayan, sila Engineer Ryan, Engineer Bong, si Kuya Daboy, Jerry, Glenn, ang dami, no? Si Kuya Resty. Alright, si Mr. Canlas, ayan, okay. Sino pa ba? Basta lahat kayo dyan. Ayan. Nandyan din si kalimutan ko na yung mga pangalan ng iba. Basta lahat kayo dyan sa MVRO. Ginawang pagbati na rin yung announcement, no? Public service announcement. Mga tropa natin sa SBMA Telecoms and MVRO. Ayan. How you guys doing? Kamusta kayo? Alright? And here's another invitation for you guys from ZMMG Co-op Hospital this time. They will be having the 17th anniversary promo. July 22 to 27, 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m., 1,700 pesos only. Kasama na ang CBC, urinalysis, FBS, creatinine, SGPT, uric acid, total cholesterol, LDL, HDL, triglycerides, ECG, and chest x-ray with fasting of 10 to 12 hours. Wow, 1,700 lang. Oo, 'di ba sa mga private hospitals, naku, magkano na 'yan, 'di ba? Grabe, kompleto. And eto pa, here's more. Get extra discounts if you pre-register July 8 to 21. Oh, 'di ba? So you have a long time to go. July 8 to 21 magpa-pre-register ka na. Additional discount pa, okay? And plus 10% discount on other laboratory and diagnostics at ZMMG San Narciso promo. is from August 5 to 7, 2024. Okay? So for more inquiries, landline number 6020278 and cell phone number 0981-319-5240. Or you may proceed there at number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Doon located ang ZMMG. The much-awaited 17th anniversary prom. Every year, inaantabayanan to, you know? Most of the time, yearly rin lang naman yung pagpapa-check natin na complete check na ganyan. So, ayun, antabayanan na yung anniversary promo. Yearly rin lang eh. Okay? And for all of you owners of cars, trucks, SUVs, even motorcycles, give it a try. SKZIC, SKZIC, Lubricants PH. Yan yung Facebook page. Yan na rin yung hanapin yung SKZIC Lubricants PH. Kung di nyo pa na-try yung SKZIC motor oil, well, give it a try. Okay? It's been the leading engine oil in Korea for over 20 years now, made of VHM, which means very high viscosity index of U-based base oil. Okay? So give it a try. SKZIC, available at syempre dealers, yung mga auto parts and supplies, repair shops, even available yan. SKZIC. Ask for it. Yung mga may sasakyan, ano? Okay? Ang Zik Reto ng mga champion. Alright? And visit the Facebook page if you want to know more about it. SKZIC Lubricants PH. Yun yung pangalan ng Facebook page po. Okay? So there you have it. Those are the invites for you. And right about now, the invites this time, once again, coming from our friends at SM City, Olongapo Central, and SM Downtown. Final batch of invitations for you. The World Chocolate Day. Hindi lang one day yan. It's a month-long celebration for Karamiya Cakes and Gelatos. Okay, they're located at the ground level of SM Central. And H&M is having their 50% up to 50% off sale. Their the sale is up to the month of August. Ayan, hanggang August. Merong up to 50% off at H&M. So visit H&M at the ground level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay? Also, do check out the SM Home mid-year clearance sale, up to 50% off on the great finds. Okay? Visit the SM Home. Ang mid-year clearance sale is from June 27 to August 4. And last day today, July 15, last day today of Ace Hardware's mid-year clearance sale, up to 50% off on selected items. So hurry, last day na. Okay, head on to Ace Hardware nationwide. And starting July 21, 2024, the SM City Olongapo Central will be having the regular Sunday Mass at 9 a.m. Every Sunday na po to, starting July 21. The first one is going to be this coming Sunday. All right? This coming Sunday. It's Monday today. So if you're going to attend the Sunday Mass, there's going to be one every morning. Every Sunday morning, that is, 9 a.m. at SM City, Olongapo Central. Ground level. Beside the Starbucks there. Okay? So pagkatapos ng Mass, ang sarap magkape. Katabi na lang. Okay? And also do check out the Guest End of Season Sale, up to 50% off. June 17 to July 31, 2024. The Guest End of Season Sale. Also, don't forget, every Tuesday, first Tuesday of the month is Kabayan Day, up to 10% off on SM affiliates. Okay, brought to you by BDO Remit and BDO and SM Malls. Okay, ang Kabayan Day is for the OFWs and their families. Okay, and lastly, let me give you the lineup of movies. What's showing for SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas and SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas as well. Eto na yung lineup of movies. Okay, what's showing? Let me tell you. Once I'm able to open the copy, come on internet, work faster. This is from July 10 up until July 16. Oh, last day bukas, Tuesday. As you guys all know, every Wednesday, di ba, ang pagpapalit. Alright, every Wednesday they change the lineup of movies. Some gets to be extended. Alright? Pero generally, tuwing Wednesday ang palitan. Ano? For SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas, Cinema 1 Despicable Me Part 4, Cinema 1 also, Inside Out Part 2, back-to-back. Cinema 2, That Kind of Love, ang inaantabayanan ni Mahal na movie. That Kind of Love, and back-to-back with Long Legs. Yan. Cinema 3, Detective Conan versus Kid the Phantom Thief. And back-to-back with Rascal Does Not Dream of a Sister Venturing Out. Interesting movie title, right? That's for Downtown. And for Central Cinemas, July 10 to 16, Cinema 1 Despicable Me Part 4, Cinema 2 Long Legs, back-to-back with That Kind of Love. Cinema 3, The Odex Film Festival. Cinema 4, Fly Me to the Moon. Cinema 2, Inside Out Part 2, back-to-back with Despicable Me Part 4. And Cinema 6, A Quiet Place Day 1, back-to-back with It's Back, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, ang nag-trending na movie. Ayan. So there you have it. The lineup of movies for you for SM Cinema, Downtown and Central. Buy your tickets now. You can buy early. If you can purchase online din para mapili mo yung seats na gusto mo, di ba? Alright. So there you have it. The invites from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And time is up for me. Thank you everybody for keeping me company. Maraming salamat po. I had a blast. Catch me again tomorrow. Of course, this program airs Mondays through Fridays from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The Morning Brew Radio Show, Monday to Friday. Okay? So maraming salamat. Thank you for tuning in. I can't say the names one by one now because we're out of time. Pasensya na kayo. You know who you are. Everybody listening right now. Thank you. Have a pleasant Monday. Stay safe, everybody. Bye for now. And our final song for this radio show. Here's Easy Mill, the son of Kuya Paul Sapiera, our good friend. Do you guys know Easy Mill was signed by Dr. Dre and Eminem? Walang-wala, no? Lumilevel up talaga ang talent ng mga batang gapo. Yeah, okay. And this is his song, 22 Oo, aka 2200. And if you still don't realize, that's the zip code of our beautiful Olongapo City. Okay? Here's Easy Mill, 22 Oo, with this song for now. Tommy G saying, peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now, people.